So because of the TikTok creativity program, many creators are looking for freelancers to hire to create videos for them, because TikTok is now paying its creators for the content they create on their platform. So you as a Fiverr seller or an aspiring Fiverr seller can benefit a lot from this process, because there are many niches out there that you can tap into, that you can start earning money for by creating this content for these creators, because most of them really don't have the time to create this content. So the niche I'm going to tell you about today is the quiz niche, because right now people are requesting for it. Just last week I got a DM telling me to create this video for him, and I did, and it's pretty straightforward. I use AI to do some of these processes, like the scripts and the voiceover. Then I use Canva to put everything together, and I have a template which I use. I make the creation really fast and smooth. So if that's what you're interested in this video, please like. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, because I create videos like this on how you can make money online and with your Fiverr account. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first things first is go to chatgpt.com to help us generate the script. So this is what I normally use to generate the script. It's pretty easy and straightforward to use. Just tell ChatGPT to generate a script for a quiz. It should be 5 questions with 3 options. Option A, B, C, and give the correct answer. So basically you can tell it to give you the quiz in any niche or any topic you are particularly interested in, or whatever the client needs, because obviously it's all about what the client wants. So when it's done generating the quiz, like I have one that I said I've generated, all you have to do is just copy everything and put it in a spreadsheet. You can tell AI to also arrange it for you and put in a spreadsheet. So you want it to be in a spreadsheet like this, because this is what we are going to be taking over to Canva, because I told you I use AI to kind of like automate or semi-automate the process. So I already have my templates which I am using on Canva. So you have to put it in a spreadsheet format like this, so that you can easily connect everything and the system just automatically arranges everything for you. I'm going to show you that in a second. So this is the quiz I'll be using, and for the sake of this video I'm going to be using just this one. So I'm going to just copy everything here. I'll copy everything here and take it to Canva. So this is the template I'm using. Just go to canva.com. This is the template I'll be using. So once you are here, so first off, go to canva.com. So in canva.com, I have so many projects I've been working on here. So you just click on the template. I'm going to link it in my description, and I want to have some likes. I want to have at least 100 likes on this video. I'm going to put the link for this Canva template in my description, so that you don't really have to do the heavy lifting anymore. All you have to do is generate your script, put it in a spreadsheet, and open the template and just use it freely. I still have clients that I do these jobs for, but I feel like, what the hell, let me just get it out there, and if you're interested in it, you can start using it for free You can create a gig today and you are going to start seeing impressions on that gig, because this particular niche, people are requesting for it. So when you're on the, this is the template right now. So all you have to just do, scroll down where you see bulk create. Scroll down where you see bulk create. Click on it and click on enter data manually. Scroll down, clear the table, click this first space and paste the spreadsheet, the quiz you copy from the spreadsheet, paste it over here and click on done. So as you can see, you're going to see some bunch of information here, but don't worry, just hold on a bit. I'm going to make this make sense right now. So first things first, you come here because this will be the space for question 1. So all you have to do is connect the information in the spreadsheet over here. So here, since this question 1, you click on connect data and you click question 1. This is option A. Click on connect data, option A. This option B. This is C. So if you have questions about this, just let me know and I'm going to answer every question you have. But right now I want you to understand what I'm doing here. I've connected all of this before. This is the space for question 1, and this is going to read the question for this particular page. So this is question 1. Which of the following is a cost-effective source of protein? Option A, organic steak. Option B, canned beans. Option C, salmon. So this space here is going to read the questions. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to generate the audio for this particular space. So this is question 1. So here is just a kind of like interval in countdown in seconds. So like I said, if you have any question about this, let me know. I'm going to answer any question about it. Then this will now carry the answer. This will carry the answer and show the answer. And you're also still going to connect everything as you did in the first one. I've already done the connection, but just like I said, straightforward, just come here, connect data, connect. I've already connected it before, so that's why it's all highlighted right now. So the next page is going to be question 2. Just the same with the first one. This question 2, come here, connect, come here, connect, come here, connect. Just like that. Then the interval. Then you go to the next one, which is question 2, where it's going to answer the question. Then the next one, question 3, same thing, come here, connect, come here, question 3, option A, question 3, option B, question 3, option C. Then the interval is going to read. Then when I'm done with this whole video, I'll just play it so that you will have an idea of how it is. Question 3. Question 3, yeah. Connect. So just keep on connecting. Question 3B. Question 3. So now we're done with question 3. With question 4. Question 4, I've connected this already, so it's still just the same process going from question 1. So it goes from question 1, interval, it's connected. So you don't have to do this. So you really don't have to do this every time. You just have to just do it once, and when you're done with that, you'll be using that same template for every other thing. So if you want to do another question next time, all you have to do is just take it from the spreadsheet, take it to Canva, bulk rates, paste it, and everything just aligns automatically. So you don't really have to do this every time. So it's just a once thing. So this question 5, and here it's also connected already. So if you use right now, if you use this my template, you don't have to do all of this. Like I said, if you use this template, you don't have to do all of this. All you have to do is make sure the heading. I also paste my Google Sheet also. So just make sure the heading is, you don't alter it at all. All you have to do is just put in the questions. Just follow how I set the column and in the spreadsheet. So you don't have to do all of this. All you have to do is just get your quiz, drop it on there, and just align it. So first thing is the text. Then now we're done with the text, all I have to just click on is, I'm going to click on continue and generate one design. So this is just one question. Hope that makes sense. So with this one, you can. So now that you have generated the quiz and everything, you don't have to bother yourself entering the text. All you have to do is just do some arrangement of the text here. Just move it aside. That's just the main thing you have to do right now. But as for entering all the text manually, maybe copying it from the quiz sheet down here and all, you don't have to do that. So all you have to just arrange it. Sometimes the text may be too much for a page. You can just reduce the text or increase. Just do something like this. You can reduce the font size so that everything can fit into the bars. You don't have to do this for every question. Some questions are just a bit longer. You understand? So once you just don't see, so that will just be the only work. And the only thing you have to do is for each question you have to pick an image that matches this. Like I can say which of the following is a cost-effective source of protein. So you have to just come here and just search for protein. So protein, as you can see, something like this. So that each image should match the question being asked, so that it should be more engaging. I don't really think you need a Fiverr Pro account for this. You can just sign up easily with a Canva account. Sign up and you have access to all of this. So once you are done with this, the next thing you have to do is get your voiceover, and the site I use is 11 Labs. So the next thing will be to generate the voiceover for the quiz. And the website which I use, the AI which I use, is 11 Labs. So once you just go to 11 Labs, you see, go to 11 Labs. I normally use the Adam voice because it's a more popular voice. So all you have to do is just come to the script. So this is the question 1. You just copy just the question 1 alone, come to 11 Labs and paste it. And I use the Adam voice. It sounds more.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So once you do that, generate it. When you generate it, you download it and you paste it here. So that will now be in question 1. So I'll call this question 1. That's the question 1. So that's what it's going to read out, this first question. Then for this next voiceover, you're going to just pick the question. So this will now be in the other part that is going to read out the answer. So this will just be the work you just do. So once you are done with this, so it should sound
Let's see if you can answer these 5 questions
something
correctly.
like this.
Question number 1. Which of the following is a cost-effective source of protein? A. Organic steak. B. Canned beans. C. Salmon. The correct answer is B.
So this
Question
is just
2.
basically how
What
it's going to read out. So once you're done with this, all you have to do is just click on share, download, and just download the file. It may take some time, and so it's downloading right now. So that's just how you can create all these videos from scratch using my template, obviously, and with the spreadsheet. I'm going to just show you the format in which the spreadsheet will be, so that when making or when generating your script for future videos, you just put in that same format and you just take it to Canva, and Canva just does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't really have to start inputting all the information from scratch. You can use this, offer this as a service on Fiverr or any other freelancing platform you know about. You are really going to see the impressions from the first day. So this is just one of the ways in which you used to make money online with Fiverr. So if you like this video, subscribe. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm going to paste all the resources I promise I'm going to do in the description. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video.